Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to switch the default search browser inside of Microsoft Edge to something other than Bing. To do this, open Edge and select the three-dot menu in the top right. In here, choose Settings. Next, select Privacy, Search, and Service from the left menu. Scroll all the way down and choose Address Bar and Search at the bottom. Now that you're in here, you can change the search engine used in the address bar from Bing to the search engine that you want to use instead. I'll choose Google. You'll then get another drop-down for search on new tabs using Search Box or Address Bar. Change this to Address Bar. This is a setting that you're going to want to make sure to choose, otherwise you're going to keep getting Bing results. If you have a search engine that you want to use but it's not listed in the drop-down here, choose Manage Search Engines. On the top right, choose Add and enter the info for the search engine here. I'll do an example using the Ecosia search engine. Enter the name at the top and then in the keyword, I'll put ecosia.org. Finally, you'll have to grab a search page URL from the engine that you want to use. I'll go to ecosia.org in a new tab and search for a random word like trees. Now, up in the address bar, copy the URL up to the search word, in this case, everything up to trees. Now head back to the settings box and paste the URL and add %s at the end. When you're done, hit add. It's kind of a process to add a new search engine, but you only have to do this once. When that's finished, I can head back to where I choose my search engine and now have the option in the dropdown. The last thing I like to do is close the browser and reopen just to make sure that my changes take effect. And that's how you change the default search engine inside of Microsoft Edge. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.